Today's blog is about blockchain, which offers software licenses to run nodes. You can run a node on a laptop or PC to receive an incentive. Most blockchains require you to run your device for about 6 hours per day to earn rewards. Hosting a node on the cloud VPS server is more cost-effective for me. You can set it and forget it. The price varies according to the requirements. Running a software node on a blockchain network is a way for participants to contribute to the network's security and integrity and receive rewards or incentives for their participation. Some blockchains require node operators to run their devices for a certain amount of time per day to earn rewards, while others may offer more flexibility in terms of the amount of time and resources required. Firstly, hosting a node on a cloud VPS server eliminates the need to maintain and manage a physical device, which can be time-consuming and require technical expertise. This can be particularly beneficial for participants who may not have access to high-end computing devices or who prefer to outsource the technical aspects of node operation to a third-party provider. Secondly, hosting a node on a cloud VPS server allows participants to scale their resources up or down as needed, depending on the demands of the network or their own computing requirements. This means that participants can adjust their computing resources and costs to match their budget and usage patterns, without the need to invest in expensive hardware or infrastructure. Overall, hosting a node on a cloud VPS server can be a convenient and cost-effective option for participating in blockchain networks, but participants must carefully consider the risks and benefits and choose a reliable and secure provider that meets their computing requirements. I'm not an expert on blockchain, I'm simply documenting my journey. I'm not a financial advisor. We appreciate that you took the time out of your busy day to watch our content. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe, like, and share. We upload content daily.